Picture cancer cells as tiny travelers, initially confined to their neighborhood in the colon, living in a relatively controlled environment where their growth is limited by surrounding tissue and the body's immune defenses. They may linger quietly for a while, but a new study in Nature Metabolism reveals that sugary drinks, sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks can act like an unexpected roadmap and fuel supply all in one. The combination of glucose and fructose these beverages provide is metabolized by the enzyme SORD, sorbitol dehydrogenase, turning ordinary sugar into a potent resource that empowers cancer cells to grow, move, and eventually spread to distant tissues. It's not that sugar causes cancer to appear, but once cells are present, sugary drinks create a metabolic environment that accelerates their journey and enhances their ability to metastasize. The researchers discovered that SORD functions as a key facilitator in this process. Glucose fuels the energy machinery of the cancer cell, supplying ATP to power movement and activity, much like filling a car's gas tank before a long trip. Fructose, converted by SORD, provides the essential building blocks for membranes, nucleotides, and proteins, structural components necessary for the cell to withstand stress and divide effectively while migrating. Together, these sugars act like both fuel and supplies, giving cancer cells everything they need to leave their original site and establish colonies in new organs. It's a meticulously coordinated journey powered by the metabolic resources these drinks provide. The positive angle here is that understanding this pathway gives researchers a clear target for intervention. SORD, as the enzyme mediating this sugar-fueled mobility, represents a potential point to halt or slow down cancer's progress. Drugs designed to inhibit SORD could effectively remove the fuel from the equation, reducing the ability of cancer cells to move and spread without significantly affecting healthy cells. This is a promising avenue for precision therapy, offering the possibility of slowing metastasis, the stage of cancer most associated with poor outcomes, while minimizing the harmful side effects often seen with broad-spectrum chemotherapy. At the same time, this research empowers individuals to take meaningful action through lifestyle choices. Limiting sugary drinks becomes a practical and impactful strategy, rather than simply a vague, healthy habit. Choosing water, unsweetened teas, or lightly flavored beverages reduces the supply of metabolic resources that cancer cells can exploit. Even modest changes, consistently applied, can make the internal environment less hospitable for cancer progression, effectively slowing their journey before it gains momentum. It turns everyday decisions into powerful tools for health maintenance and disease prevention. This study also highlights a broader truth about the interplay between diet and disease. It emphasizes that what we consume is not merely about calories or energy levels, it directly influences cellular behavior at a molecular level. By mapping the precise connection between sugary drinks, SORD activity, and cancer cell mobility, scientists have illuminated a pathway where both medical interventions and personal choices converge to improve outcomes. The more we understand these mechanisms, the more effectively we can design therapies, recommend preventive measures, and empower individuals to protect their health. So, while sugary drinks may have been unwittingly fueling cancer cells' journey, this research transforms the narrative from one of helplessness to one of action and hope. Science has uncovered the route, identified the enzyme driving the process, and shown where interventions, both lifestyle-based and pharmacological, can slow or stop the spread. Every choice to limit sugar intake becomes a tangible step in slowing the road trip of cancer cells, and every new therapy targeting SORD brings us closer to controlling metastasis more effectively. It's a story not of inevitability, but of knowledge, empowerment, and optimism, demonstrating that with both informed choices and scientific innovation, cancer's journey can be interrupted and long-term health preserved.